Do you know what a tax stamp is? Rhode Island real estate agents, attorneys, and lenders all know that in Rhode Island we have to pay what's known as a conveyance tax. Conveyance tax, tax stamps, those are going to be the seller's burden to pay to the state of Rhode Island. It gets attached right to the body of the deed, and the cost of that tax stamp or conveyance tax is $4.60 per thousand. It's required by law unless the buyer agrees contractually to pay it on behalf of the seller. The state of Rhode Island gets that money, which is remitted to the town. The town keeps a little bit for town programs. Most of the money will go back to the state of Rhode Island for the state's use and benefit. Back in the day, the tax stamps actually used to look like stamps, which is why we call them tax stamps instead of conveyance taxes. Basically, sales tax that's imposed by the state of Rhode Island. And did you know that in 2022, the tax stamp rate actually increased for any property that was selling over $800,000? The way it's now calculated is that all sales prices are going to have the base rate of $4.60 per thousand, and then any excess over 800,000 has to be taxed again at $4.60 per thousand. So for example, if you're selling a home for $900,000, the base tax stamp rate would be $4.60 per thousand at the $900,000 price point. The difference between the 800 and the 900,000, which is $100,000, will be taxed again at $4.60 per thousand as required by state law.